Water. Very good. They need water. And also, you said the fourth thing, which was soil. They need a
Yeah.
fertile soil. Like, if we have two kind of soil, one is eroded soil, the other is the fertile soil in which plants grow better. In fertile soil
Uh,
or the eroded soil?
what soil? Can you tell me again?
First option is fertile soil which has minerals in it. Second type of soil is eroded soil which is a dry land.
The first one is good. Dry,
Yes,
dry is not good. How will the
yes,
plant live?
yes,
Just like
because
me.
yeah, definitely. Okay, from sunlight they get the light, from water. Can you tell me the formula of water? Do you know the chemical formula of water?
Oh, you mean that a cycle? Water never stops? Look,
Not the
first,
water cycle. Not the water cycle. I'm asking about the formula of water in science. Like in chemistry, we use the formulas, chemical formulas of all, everything, most of the things.
uh,
Okay, I'll tell
this
you.
was alright.
Do you know about, have you ever, are you familiar with H2O?
What is H2O?
Okay, so let me tell you that this is the formula of water. In science, basically in chemistry science, okay? Chemistry is the branch of science, okay? So in most of the compounds, they have formula, like water has formula H2O. H means hydrogen, O means oxygen. Do you know about oxygen and hydrogen?
I know oxygen but not hydrogen.
Okay, these two are the elements, and when we need two hydrogens and one oxygen to make water. When two hydrogens and one oxygen mix, they make water. Okay,
Wow.
and from yes, can you tell me? Can you guess? What in air? What is a particular thing in air the plants need to make food?
It's water, tiny oxygen, and formula.
You said oxygen, and the second thing was
Formula. The
formula.
H2. Yeah, the H2.
Okay, H2O is water. No, they actually need carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Yes. Have you heard of that gas? It's a
Mm,
gas. No? Do you
mm,
know when we inhale, we take in oxygen, and when we exhale, like moving the air out of our mouth, we exhale carbon dioxide. And that carbon dioxide is used up by plants. They will catch up that carbon dioxide from us and will use that to make their food. How
and
genius is that? That they do not waste even the breath we take out. Do you get it?
yeah, and they even get in the poison in the air. Plants help us.
Yeah, they filter our air. They make it like they make it pollution free, pollutants free.
And
Okay,
if there were
so
no plants, there would be a very big problem, right?
yeah, yes. And can you tell me what would be the problems if there would
Yeah,
be no plants?
we would breathe in bad air that would make our body unhealthy, and and
Yes,
all of the creatures can be in danger, and some of that gas can even go in water that makes the ocean a little sick, and especially
yeah,
the
exactly.
coral reef.
The coral reefs. Okay, you
Yeah,
have a lot of knowledge about biology.
was
Do
it
you study from your
biology?
mother? It's actually biology, the knowledge about the living organisms, whether it is about fishes or plants
Jellyfish?
or trees, yeah, jellyfish, even the human beings or cats or dogs and microorganisms, these all the things they are studied under biology. In biology,
I have
did you learn
only.
it from your mother?
What did you say? My mom even doesn't know about jellyfish. I watch
Oh.
Octonauts. It's too much about ocean and a little about land, but more about ocean. So I learned it from them. But the most funny thing is in them the animal themselves.
Hmm.
Captain
Okay.
Barnacle is the leader. He's a polar bear. Quasi is a cat, and Peso is a penguin. But
Oh,
Dashi
very
is,
nice.
yeah, it's very
Okay.
silly that
Yeah.
there's one character name is Professor Inkling. It's just like
Inkling.
an
Oh, wow.
octopus. Yeah, and
Okay, you
he's
will tell
already
me
an
the.
octopus.
Yeah. You will okay, send me the name of this or whatever series or whatever channel you watch. I'll definitely watch it, okay? It sounds really
Okay,
interesting to me. Okay, so thing is
yeah.
that because the plants make their own food, so the all the organisms that make their own food are called autotrophs. They are called
Autotrophs!
autotrophs. Yes. Do you know
Autotrophs.
about that word? The autotrophs? Autotroph means the organism that make their own food. Okay? They do not
Okay.
need to eat it from outside. They would make it by themselves. And can you tell me what is the particular food plants are making every day? They eat
I
the
don't
same
know.
food. Oh, I have told you. They eat the same food all the time. What's that? I've written in
Oh,
here.
Glucose.
It's,
Glucose.
this sound is glucose.
Glucose.
They eat the same food daily and they don't get bored of it. They don't get
Yeah.
sick of it. They like it. They love glucose. Okay, so they because they
Um,
make their own food, they're called automatic like autotrophs. Okay, and
and
you know
teacher,
some of the
if
bacteria.
my
Yeah.
mom would give me homemade cookies every day, I would be eating all day because I love
No,
her
you
cookies.
definitely get sick of it. If you would eat it all day, you will get sick of it. Even I like the chocolate a lot. Okay, and one day, like a few days back, like some 7 to 8 days before, I ate a lot of chocolate ice cream, which I love, and now I cannot even hear about it because I ate a lot in excess. So even if you eat a lot of cookies, you will get bored of it. You will get sick of it. Okay, but depends on different people. Okay, so do you know that some of the bacteria, only a few of the bacteria, they can also make their own food. Only some
Yeah,
bacteria, not all the bacteria. And
yeah.
algae, have you seen algae? Do you know what
What is?
algae?
No, I don't know. Anyway, what is
Okay,
algae?
for example, in a pond, which is not a clean pond, there would be something green over the pond, and it would be really
Yeah,
fishy smell when you pass around it. Yes, you get it. That is called algae. Like algae would grow over the surface, the upper surface of the a pond, a dirty pond.
yeah.
Okay, that is called algae, and it has a fishy smell. Have you ever passed over that pond who has grown algae in
Mm,
it?
no, but I will when I explore. When I become explorer.
Okay. Okay. So algae, even that algae makes their own food. Okay. They do not need food from outside. They would make it by themselves. So can I
But
say that algae are also autotrophs?
yeah. And can I tell
Yeah,
you?
I can
And
say
Miss Gladys don't need a kitchen.
that. Okay, there is something really interesting about because it's about oceans. On the seabeds, do you know about seabeds? There are always some kind of plants or grasses on the seabeds that you can see. like
Just
at the bottom of the ocean. These are the plants which are called phytoplankton. Like they are plants, but
you
not
mean in the
exact plants.
surface? You mean
Like
surface
on the
or
bottom
down?
surface. Yes, on the
Bottom
bottom,
surface.
yeah, bottom surface. Those are
Yeah,
called
yeah.
sea
It's a
moss.
land. It's a type of
Yeah.
land that creatures would also eat, and they also made food for themselves. Even that
Yes.
thing would
So can you
even
call them?
do it.
Because they made their own food. So what are they called? What
Sire,
is that
this is
word?
I
It's
forgot.
autotrophs. Yes. What is that called?
Autotrophs.
Yes.
Autotrophs.
And what is the name of these special kind of plants growing in the bottom? These are called phytoplanktons. What are they called?
Flytops conchins.
No, it's phytoplanktons.
Planktons.
Yeah, can you
So,
pronounce it? Can you read it from here? It's
no,
phyto.
it's too small.
Okay, I can zoom it for you. Oh, just wait a minute. Can you see it now?
Yeah, phyton plankton.
Planktons, yes. So they are autotrophs. Okay, now let's talk about the organism which cannot make their own food inside their body.
Teacher,
Like
teacher,
we,
teacher, teacher. I
yes,
want
Ishal.
to ask something. I'm really
Yeah, you
getting
can.
interest in that. What is
Okay,
this?
okay. These are actually microorganisms
Oh,
which we cannot see by like our naked eye. They can also be present in a dirty pond, like protozoa, paramecium. Even mostly they are present in somewhere where is moisture.
what is
They're present in moist
moisture?
time, like moisture, mostly in ponds, in forests, over the grass.
In rainfall forest. Even the soil is a little of that.
Yeah,
In wet
they can be
places such
present.
as rainforests and
Yeah,
the
mostly
savanna.
rainforests have a lot of fauna
Savanna is a
or
type of
savanna forest
where yeah, it's a type of forest.
where there is a lot of rain. It's actually a rainforest. Am I right?
Yeah, it's
Am I right?
yeah,
Okay.
it's a part of the rainforest where elephants, tigers, and giraffes mostly live.
So it's actually the entertaining side of the rainforest, where a lot of uh, organisms are. There's a lot of diversity of organisms there.
And there's
They
even
must be
the
hanging.
Amazon.
Okay,
Amazon
they
is
must
a
be
type of
hanging in
rainforest
the.
also.
Mm. Oh, okay, what I was thinking, a very funny thing. I think savanna is the hangout space for the organisms. What the
Yeah,
animals? It
I
must be
think.
the hangout area. They must be
Yeah,
chilling,
may,
chilling out there.
oh,
Okay.
maybe. Wait a second. Maybe it's
Yeah.
the living room where they do everything.
Yeah, they are relaxing themselves.
Yeah,
Okay.
and sometimes me and my sister
Mm-hmm.
would fight in the living room. So
Mm-hmm.
tigers and lions enemies must be fighting there.
Yeah, maybe there is a wrestling going on in there. Okay, so some of the organisms, like we cannot make our food inside our body. We have to eat from outside. Like we have to eat veggies, we have to eat fruits and carbs and oats, like you like the oats very much, and everything like
Like
gravy and
tomato.
potato and tomato and everything.
Oh,
Okay, so
mashed
we cannot.
potatoes.
Yeah, we can eat mashed potatoes also. So we cannot make food inside our body. We have to eat it from outside. So we are called heterotrophs. What are we called?
Heterotrophs.
Yes.
Heterotrophs.
Just like that. What would be cat be? Does is the cat autotroph or heterotroph?
Hydrotroph.
Yes, because we have seen it that cat always eats outside. It will eat
And
some
yeah,
food. And what
and
about butterflies? What do
heterotrophs.
they eat actually? Do you know what butterflies eat? They suck the nectar, like the juice from the flowers.
Just like bumblebees.
Yeah, just like that. Their food is the nectar. Nectar is the juice in the flowers, right?
And they also make honey for us, but butterflies are cheeky. They don't make honey for us.
Yeah, they do not make anything, they just grow. They were caterpillars before. Do you know that? That
Yeah,
butterflies.
I know.
Uh,
Caterpillars first eat and eat and eat and eat, and then they make a cocoon. And when they crack, they dry their wings, and then they fly like a butterfly.
yeah, and when they make, they would sleep after eating for a longer period of time. They would sleep, and after that, when they wake up, they become a butterfly.
Yeah, and that butterfly will lay eggs, and the caterpillar will eat, and then we
Yeah.
sleep and get a butterfly.
Yeah, when it was a caterpillar, it would eat the leaves, okay, the whole leaves. But when it becomes a butterfly, it does not eat the leaves anymore. It would just suck out the juice or nectar from the petals of flowers. So what do you think? Is it a heterotroph or an autotroph?
Heterotroph. Yeah.
Yes, heterotroph.
Why?
Okay. And the what about the
Teacher,
okay?
teacher,
Yes,
can I give you a funny example of that? Because for the
yes,
caterpillars, the are the kitchen. That's the kitchen, and the caterpillars can eat in the kitchen.
yeah. It
It's
would be the kitchen of where they can find the food. Okay, so as you were very well interested in the microorganism, these microorganism cannot make their food by their own selves. They will also eat from the outside, and that is why
yeah,
they would be more present around the moist grass, because from the grass they can get their nutrients, they can get their
yeah.
minerals, and from the moist they can get the water for them. So they are also heterotrophs. Okay, there's one thing more for that. uh, can you can you tell me what are producers and consumers? I think maybe you know the meaning of these words. Producers and consumers.
Uh, I don't.
Okay, let me tell you. Those organisms who make food, okay, who produce food are called producers. Like plants, they make food for us and for themselves and also for us. So they are producers.
Just
They
like
give benefit.
bumblebees.
Bumblebees, do they make honey for us?
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
but
they are
one thing
producers,
different. They
but
produce. They're
yeah,
autotrophs and also heterotrophs. Make food for
yes,
them and make the
yeah,
food themselves.
yes. So bumblebees are not exactly producer because they also eat from the outside. They are
Yeah,
also heterotrophs. Okay,
yeah.
to be
Uh,
producers, you cannot eat from outside. You have to make your own food inside your body. So
uh,
consumers are like customers. Okay, like they would eat from outside.
yeah,
They cannot make their
customers.
own food. Yeah. Okay. Do
It's
you know
like
what is a food chain? Okay,
food
here is a
chain.
very
Yeah,
interesting
I
example.
know.
It's a
Ooh.
very Yeah, it's a very interesting example. It's about the survival of the fittest. So in our earth, everyone is really like selfish. Everyone is figuring out that what should I eat, okay, and they are eating someone else. Starting from here, like the grass.
Grass.
Grass is the really good one, okay? Grass is the producer because grass never eats anyone else, okay? It's a really good one.
Grass. Teacher, it's about to be super duper funny. Okay.
Okay,
The owl eats the snake. The snake eats
yes,
the bird.
yes, you're guessing
The
it
bird,
right.
the bird is the grasshopper. I mean, the grasshopper is the grass.
Yes,
And
yeah.
what about the mushroom?
Oh, about the mushrooms, actually, the mushrooms they grow only on the dead bodies.
Oh,
Okay,
the
yeah.
plant, the
For the growth of
grass.
mushrooms, mushroom needs the something like a soil in which someone is buried, like some cat or dog's dead body. If it's buried in the soil gets super duper fertile. Okay, the
And
soil in
becomes
which
the
there is
mushroom.
something buried, yeah, and we get the mushroom. And all the mushrooms, we should be very careful by eating mushrooms. Not
Yeah,
every mushroom is edible. It can be
yeah.
poisonous also.
Just like a toadstool.
Yeah, we cannot eat all kinds of mushrooms. Okay, as you have told
Uh,
me that how the owl eats the snake, snake eats the bird, bird eats the grasshopper, and grasshopper eats the grass. So this is how they make a food chain because it's all about food. Okay,
yeah,
that bird becomes the food for snake, and when owl sees the snake, it does not get scared from the snake. It says, "Oh, here's come my food." So these are the food for each others, and because they make a chain out of it, this is called a food chain.
yeah, food chain. It's glad there's
Yeah.
not a carrot change.
Mhm. Okay. And do you know food chain always starts from plants.
Yeah,
It
plants.
always starts from producer, okay? It always starts from a producer. Then comes the and all the others are called consumers.
Teacher,
Okay?
I
Yes.
see that you did it from Canva.
Okay, from Canva,
Yeah,
maybe. Okay,
and I also use Canva.
good. You make assignments or PPTs from it.
I in case I'm not doing some classes, my I'm doing too much designs on it, and my mom said one day when you will do a class, you don't need to do it. They're already ready. Your designs will come in handy.
Oh, yeah, like the technology will get more farther from it, that you get everything prepared, already prepared. But you
Yeah.
can kill some time by some creativity on Canva. That's a good thing, not a bad thing.
And I also tried to make a video, but my mom said, "Why did you forget the E?" I made it for little kids. A is for apple. Apple. More like this. I will